Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today what I'm going to show you are my collections for Ford. So these are Ford cars, but I didn't complete it completed this yet because it's really hard to find old cards at this point in time. So that's the reason why I'm going to show you those that I have for this set. So as you can see guys, it's 199.75 pesos the price of this. So there are 8 cars on this, but I only have 4 of them so far. So let's start with this number 1. It's 1965 Ford Ranchero. So I think I wasn't able to complete this car set because aside from the fact that it's really hard to find this in market nowadays, other cars are not so nice as well. So maybe that's the reason why I didn't completed it yet until now. So the second one that I have here is this 1979 Ford truck. I really like this truck because it's big. It it really looks like a limousine. So there, and others are hard to find. Yeah, but this one, though I didn't like so much the design of this car, but I love it because it's long and it's big and it's heavy as well. So I think this is a metal car. So I have 2 of them because I love them. There. The next one that I have here is this one, 1941 Ford pickup. So I didn't usually love classic pickup cars, but what I love this one is the machine on top of the front of the car. I really like the design of it. There. It's really nice. I don't know how do you call it, cylinder? Not really sure. So if you guys know how these things are called, just comment down on the comment section below for me to know. Yeah, I wasn't able to search for that. But this one is cool. I like the color, though it's very simple. But the design of the truck is, yeah, it's really nice, I guess. I just don't like those lowered um bottom below. Yeah, lowered bottom there. I don't know how do you call that one. That's the reason why I didn't love those old classic trucks because of they use wheels that are not that big or standard wheels, I guess. It really looks like it's not balanced, I guess. That's the reason why I didn't like it that much. So here is the complete set, guys. So I have 65 Ford Ranchero, 1979 Ford truck. I also have 1941 Ford pickup, and this one is the Ford Bronco 4x4. This one I really love it. I like a lot. So yeah, the Ford Bronco. So I didn't have the custom Ford Bronco, the Sandblaster, the Ford pickup, and the Ford F-150. So I'm still trying to look those cars in the market because I love the Sandblaster. It's one of the items that I love collecting. Maybe this one too, the Ford one F-150, but I don't like the design the of the truck. And this one I also love collecting the custom Ford Bronco. This one is not. Yeah, I didn't love that much. So this one is my super favorite in this set. Of course, aside from the Sandblaster, I love that too. So this one is cool because it's heavy, and I don't know, I really love the design of this one. I also love the wheels at the back part or rear part of the truck. Oh, this is not a truck, I guess. 4x4 pickup. It's a pickup truck, I guess. So I love the design, I love the color. Overall, I love it. I also like the wheels there. I couldn't see the interior, so I don't know if I like it. So there, guys. Nice. It's really cool. I hope to have more of this Ford Bronco 4x4 because it's really nice. There, guys. It's really cool. I love them. I love this one a lot. I love the color. It's so girly. Hmm, very nice. I like it. So it didn't have a price. I don't know if I bought it the same price with the others, 199 pesos. So because this one is nice. So I still looking for the other. So if I'm able to complete this set, I'm going to vlog it again for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye.